to another video. I started having posts in so long and I'm a little sick. So I'm gonna be making this lip balm kit with my friend Nuba. Hey. And we're gonna be making a lip balm kit and filming it soon. So here's the kit, color changing lip balm. It doesn't come out this good. We've done this before.
Yeah.
So we should be experts, but it came out really bad.
We'll try it. So here I have it out.
And
so we're gonna start off. There's like all of these types of things.
there's the containers. Here are the instructions for using that.
So there's 4. There was 5 originally, but we used 1.
Oops. This is quality Utu content.
I know what I said. I didn't open the other way. This is impossible.
You film me.
Oh, I opened it. Never mind. So yeah, here's what it looks like on the inside.
Yeah, okay.
And yeah, so then that's the container. So then here we have the wax chips that you melt. This is the main base. This is the spoon, the spatula,
And that's the
there.
container.
Yeah, and this is where the mixes, stickers to incorporate these. And we have blue dye, yellow dye, pink dye, and a lip shimmer. Yes. And then there's also this color changing base that changes the color. You don't have to add it, but it looks cool. Mixing.
Yeah, it does. So,
Let's start.
yeah.
Okay, so guys, we're ready to start. So we have all the materials. We have the bowl
And the plastic wrap. And everything else in the kit.
Yes.
So, fill up our measuring cup. She has it. Keep it on the... With 10 scoop with about 5 grams of wax chips and 10 scoops of gel base. How much is 5 grams of wax chips?
It says here.
Oh,
Here, I'll do the gel base.
okay, I'll do the wax chips.
Okay.
Okay, what is it?
Aesthetics.
Aesthetic. I can barely read this. Wait, how much was it needed again?
5 mLs.
You mean grams?
Oh, whatever.
The side isn't on.
Oh my god, you're blind. So, I'm so good.
So like barely. Pour. That's
So
probably
bright.
That's probably way too much. Is this too much?
I'd like 2 more.
Huh?
2 more.
But look how much there is. Oh, isn't that? Yeah, that's way too much.
No,
Wait.
it's fine, then we'll have more.
Wait, that's good.
So in case something goes wrong, we'll have extra for planning.
Yeah. So
This
this
is
is.
the glowing bowl.
Oh, it does look like a glowing orb. Ha hee ha hee ha.
So I'm gonna add 10 scoops.
Of the damn gel base.
That seems like a lot.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh yeah, I forgot how hard it was. Oh, we don't have it. Okay. I'm gonna go get a knife.
Yes.
Add the gel base.
Yep.
This is. I'm gonna see so you know.
Huh?
So being YouTubers is fun. You get to make excuses for doing the craziest stuff on earth. Yes. These wax chips look so weird.
They look so edible for some reason.
Cause like, dude,
You see that? You see that?
they're like little domes,
And you.
and there's so many. All little domes,
Okay, 2 scoops.
and these are supposed to
put 2
melt.
scoops at a time.
Okay, 2 scoops.
4, 6.
Wow,
6.
that's a lot.
No wait. If we were to microwave, we have to do it in a bowl. We're
Uh,
gonna dump this in the bowl. Real quick.
Use a fork.
Satisfying.
90% wax chip. Be like, and then just wait. Show them what the fork looks like.
And that's all the gel base. Told you.
Oh, it's okay. So,
Get paper towels.
are you blind?
I thought that was for the floor, so we don't do anything to the floor.
We'll just tear a piece off of it because I'm cheap. No. We'll just use this. Whatever.
Yeah, I'll do it after I'm done with this. Okay, here's the last 2 scoops.
That's a lot of gel base. Well, we have a lot of wax chips. We'll work it out. So that's step 1. 30 drops of flavor dropper. Let's do the yellow, okay?
Why? Oh, because it matches the.
Yeah, because it matches the container.
So get this in the bowl.
So,
Yes.
that, it also helps change the color of
orange, I think.
this to orange.
Maybe.
We made a blue version and that changed to purple, and it was
Beautiful.
Okay, so
The gel base
how
is-
many drops again?
It's a 20.
It's a 30.
30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's so hard. Can I do it? There. Add like a little bit more. I think I added more already.
You're right, it is hard.
I think that's good. That's good. Yeah. Okay, what's next?
So the more drops you add, the darker. Do you want to add the lip shimmer? No, I want this to be more like a casual lip balm.
A casual lip balm. You know they actually put a little bit of lip shimmer.
I know, but
Let's put just one.
Yeah, it's 1 drop. Yeah. Yeah, 1 drop of lip shimmer. Shimmer. So have boiling hot water in a bowl.
Or microwave.
We'll be back.
Yeah. Alright guys, so it just finished.
Microwaving because we do it better ways than doing hot water.
It smells so good. It smells so
It does, but it's so strong.
I know. It's not melted yet, so more aesthetic.
We need we need a spread. I'm gonna go to
2 minutes.
Yes. Bye.
It's been in the microwave for 3 minutes. Get the fork. Oh, will that right soon? Ow! Keep the cabinet open.
Me?
How dare you? That's hot. Like, super hot.
Oh, that's melted. Oh, that's melted. That's good,
I
right?
think it was like 10 more seconds.
No, it doesn't.
There's still wax strips that are melting.
Fine. Heat it 10 more seconds.
More aesthetic. Alright, so it just finished. 3:59.
No, it's not. That hasn't been set to daylight savings.
Oh.
Realization.
It's really hot. It's really hot. Ow, ow, ow.
Maybe you should put on the glove.
Give me them.
Nah. So the next step was to put the plastic wrap on the lip balm thing. Wait, was it for both sides?
You.
It lined the inside of the cap with plastic wrap. No, it's only one.
Is that the cap though? Okay, yeah, it is good.
Okay.
I'm gonna be like, oh.
Yeah. We put the liquid in this.
Oh, wait, it's about to start hardening.
Oh.
Bye, see you guys in the panel for it. Yes. First, let's mix. No, it's starting out. Starting. Okay.
Just hurry.
Okay, I'm trying. You're supposed to do the plastic wrap part. That's why it's plastic wrapped.
It says pour the mixture into the cap to the line. Oh, wait, yeah, it is the plastic wrap. It's good enough.
Okay. Yeah.
It says to the line. What's the line?
I don't actually know.
Oh, be careful, that almost touched your finger. Uh-oh.
Well, at least I'll have some on-the-go lip balm.
Shrek.
I'll make you all the way back to India.
It says carefully pour the mixture into the cap up to the line, and then carefully pour the rest of the mixture into the bottom half.
It's not up to the line. Okay, there, that's good.
Okay.
Hold this. And I'll do whatever is left here. We need more.
Huh?
I just know what we need more.
It's fine.
And what? I don't even care anymore if it's hot.
Oh, it's actually not that hot.
It is.
Not for
Went
me.
straight from the spoon.
Oh, it's hard in. Okay, so the next step was to wait for 60 seconds for the mixture to cool, and then carefully collect the 2 container and put the code. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 seconds later, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 4, 5, 6, 7, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Yee. Okay, close it. Close it and wait 60 seconds.
You do that, I'm doing something else.
Excuse me. Can you hold it closer? I need help with everything.
Okay, I'm done.
So now we have to wait. Oh, we have to put it inside the freezer for 30 minutes. So see you in 30 minutes.
The freezer. So it has been 30 minutes.
If you're wondering what we were doing, well,
Playing Roblox. There.
okay.
Okay.
Close.
Okay. Now we're gonna open it.
My friend helped me.
And look
So-
at that. Okay.
It looks so good.
I know, right? Okay. Okay. Wait.
Okay, I'm gonna use this side. You use this side, okay?
Okay. How was it?
Better than the last one.
Wait, what side did you use?
Use this side.
Okay, then I'll use this side then. Oh, that's actually not bad.
Yeah.
And it has a nice smell to it.
Yeah.
So that was all for today's video.
Hope you liked this video. If you did,
Like and subscribe.
yeah.
My
And
channel will be linked down below.
and the notification bell thingy. So
You can do the same on my channel.
Don't. Okay.
Yes.
We really like the kit, and see you
It
next
was
time.
way better than last time.
Yeah. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.